It's a great way. There's a cormorant. A lot of cormorants. You just see their necks above. They are really heavy bodied. They are great divers. Whoa! That's about as close as I want to get. There's got to be something happening here. Wow, this is special. I just hope they know I'm here. I'll tap my paddle a little bit, make sure they don't come up right underneath me. Yeah, there got to be some fish here. Little breakfast buffet someplace. Wow, this is it. Wow, there's a bunch there. Santa Monica Mountains there in the background above Malibu. You know, I don't really see them chomping down on anything. Are they really feeding or what? And again, you don't see a lot of cormorants. Wow. Again, the black ones, you see basically just their neck and maybe a little bit of their body above the water. They are pretty awkward taking off. Heavy bones. Yeah. And oh, there he is. Oh, there's a bunch. Oh, and we got some we got some sea lions. So we got the whole bunch here. Wow. Don't often see seals here, but we do see sea lions. There they are. Checking out what's going on, and we still have the dolphins. Yeah, I think they came out to meet me for my birthday. They knew I was going to paddle. And I'm a four-legged marine mammal, whereas they are no-legged or two-legged. Okay, bye guys. Have a great day. Hope you get your sardines or whatever you're looking for there. There goes one taxiing off. Whoa, that's cool. I don't know if he's trying to fly. No, see that? He was just trying to get from one spot to another, but without actually taking off.